welcome back to Orvi and Aya's YouTube channel. And remember, we are going to hit 1 million subscribers. And I hope you guys are so good at painting and drawing, because we are drawing and painting a castle. So you guys stay safe out there. So the first thing that we're gonna do is get this, and do you know guys what this is inside? Well, let me show you. It's so cool. Okay, so let's open this. Woo! Oh my gosh! Look what's inside here. It's very beautiful, and I know which one should I pick. I'm gonna pick this black because we needed to draw it. So now let's put it right here. If you guys want to draw it with me, you can. So first we need pencils, color pencils if you have one of those. So first we are gonna do a line here. So we are doing this. See guys? So do this. Do this now. You can pause the video if it's too hard or not. And now do it the other side. Make sure it's gonna be like a twist and a line straight. Now we need to do a other one, like here. Okay, now guys, look at this. You need to do this. And now just do a line. If the line doesn't fit, just don't care about it. And if the line is too high, you could make it higher. And when you do this, see, you do a triangle. Up from this side and up from this side. Now done. And now for this side, and now for this side. And it's done. Let me show you. Now, if this is all done, you could do this part. So, you do this part this way and then this way. Do up and down again like I do it. Okay? You could paint which color you want. You could do whatever you want. It's your idea. It's not mine. Okay. And since when you do this, you put, I think it's time to do the bottom of the line. So now, it's for the bottom. You guys, let's see, it's really good, and okay. Now you put a other one. So do this, and do another one of that. And then do this, and then do this. Okay, so you do this. Okay, and now you maybe we could just do some windows, so it could be good. Okay, do a little this. And do this side, and then do this. Okay, it's now good now for the door. We just do this. So it's good. Ooh. And then we need to, what? Oh, we need to do the flags. So do a line here and then do a triangle like this. See? And now do it on this one, and it's good. And when you do it, put a line, triangle again, a line and triangle again. And guys, this is how you build a kid's easy castle. And maybe it's time to color. Woo! Okay, it's time for the coloring day. So now I'm gonna do like it's a cute painting. So we are going to do like first I'm doing some windows. You could color it whatever you want. Mine idea again. So guys, when we're done coloring the window, we are going to do like this side and this side of the castle's window. Okay guys, we are now done finishing the windows. It is beautiful. Now it's time to put this back in it, and we could finally do da 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 the paints. Woo! Okay. So let's just pull this. Close. Now paint time. Guys, look at this. It's a photo. Okay, now let's. I want to first do like a green glassy place, so it could be cute. And this is where I'm gonna just do it. Ooh la la. Okay, and now when we do this, I'm going to dip it on this brush. Until if I dip and dip it, it can get. And now I'm gonna go on this line here and just smooth it. Smooth it like it is a good. It's my castle. Grassy hill line. Whee! Ooh. I've never been a dish master in my life. Okay. Ooh. And it's done. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks great. So first you need to do this. Ooh, pink. Okay, and when you do that, it's time for it. The castle, people. I love it. So the first stuff I'm gonna paint is this one. I wanna paint this part of it. So let's just get a little purple line brush on. we dips it. Let's do this time. Whee! And now let's just dip this. Tip, 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 tip. So if you want to with this, you can. So when you with this, you like get red out and green. So, and when you do that, you get this flush, and then when you get this, you like put a red here. And then like put a brush over here with the red too, and then put green on it too, so it could be good. And when you put green on it, okay, let me just do it. Okay, now that is done, now let me show you guys it. See you guys, it is and now it's time for this one. Whoa. And I'm gonna use this one to do lip. Okay. Let's close it. And now it's gonna be hard to close. Now we are going to do pink. Pink. Okay. So I just got in the car. And now we do this. And like, yeah. Okay, now it is all done. We are all done with this video. And if you guys want to see my castle, you can. It is so beautiful. Look at this. So let me show you. So this is my castle. If you guys like it, comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all, and remember we are going to hit 1 million subscribers. And I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, guys. Bye.